Assalamualaikum. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. So after 14 hours flight, I reached finally, and I reached in New York City. And the flight was really good, and the flight was super smooth, and the passengers were so happy, and everyone was happy. Everyone was so decent. It was really a good flight. So Alhamdulillah. So I prepared myself to go out. I took shower and then I prepared myself to I'm going to be going out, and I'm so super hungry. I really want to eat something. So I'm going to show you around, and it's a very nice weather, by the way. It's pretty cool. It's like chilly. And I just prepared myself to go out, and I'm so super hungry. I didn't eat anything on the flight. I was honestly, I was not even feeling hungry, you know. So yeah, and stay tuned, and let's go. So I'm going to show you around what's around this hotel, and I'm in New York City. So I'm not in kind of a center of the New York City, but I'm kind of outskirts, and you can say I'm like a little bit far from the downtown area where we stay. So I'm going to show you around my today activity, my today things which I'm going to be doing. And uske baad I just got myself ready a little bit, you know, to just, you know, some little bit of a makeup, as you can see. So let's go. So guys, finally I decided to come out of my room because waqt kam tha muqabla sakta. So some of my colleagues were my friends, they were meeting me downstairs. Then we headed to the Costco. अगर आप लोगों को पता होगा Costco क्या है, Costco इट्स लाइक अ रिटेल होलसेल अमेरिकन चेन है, जाके आपको होलसेल प्राइसेस पे आपको चीज़ें मिलती हैं, कपड़े से लेके जूतों तक, जूतों से लेकर आपको लाइक यू नेम इट, आपको खाने पीने की चीज़ें सब कुछ, आपको ग्रॉसरी सब कुछ होलसेल प्राइसेस पे मिलती हैं. वी वर सो हंग्री, लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गॉट आवर सेल्फ दिस पिज्ज़ा स्लाइस. It was so yummy, so yummy. We were so craving. All of us, we were craving for this pizza slice. Like 10 out of 10. Guys, if you ever get a chance to go to the Costco, please try their pizza slice. It's so yummy, really. And we were like talking, we were enjoying. हम लोग आपस में अपने experiences share कर रहे थे, बातें कर रहे थे. You know, जो after the flight जो gossips होती रहती हैं, आप लोगों को तो पता ही है. बस फिर हम enjoy कर रहे थे, और मैं आपको दिखाना चाह रही थी. Guys, it was Saturday and it was too much crowded. You have no idea. It was full packed because Saturday था, और फिर इतनी rush, ऊपर से इतनी rush because everybody was there to buying their grocery, their weekly grocery. Some of them they were buying for their holidays, and some of them they were buying for क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी अभी festivals और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें आने वाली हैं related to the Christmas and related to, you know, holidays सबकी होने वाली हैं. So everybody was like getting their groceries and everything. So हमें as such कुछ लेना नहीं था specifically. We didn't wanted to buy anything, but my friend, she was like, okay, please take me and give me the tour of the Costco. So I was giving her the tour, and she just gave me the massage. गाइस, चलते चलते मेरी फ्रेंड ने मुझे मसाज भी दे दिया, लेग मसाज. एंड दिस मशीन वाज सो ऑसम, यू हैव नो आइडिया. ये जो मशीन थी, इट वाज फॉर लाइक ओनली $99.99. एंड दिस गाय, ही वाज टेलिंग मी दैट बिफोर इट वाज लाइक 300 एंड समथिंग. देन एनीवेज हम आगे बढ़े. हमने कहा कि चलो हम जो लेने आए हैं वो ले लेते हैं सबसे पहले, वरना वो भूल जाएंगे. फिर माई फ्रेंड, शी वॉन्टेड टू बाय अ केक. एंड गाइस, इट वाज so crowded, like believe me, it was super crowded and super rush. So we were just looking for the specific cake what she wanted. So हम देख रहे थे, और यहाँ काफ़ी सारी variety थी, breads की, sourdough breads की, और multigrain breads की, और you name the bread, and they have the every single kind of the different kind of a bread. They have it. They have brown bread, they have plain bread, they have every single kind of the bread. फिर हम cake section में आए क्योंकि she wanted to buy the cake for herself, for her home. और इनके पास एक ये वाला केक था, एक ये था cinnamon coffee type cake, which is very nice. I tried this cake as well before. This was the plain cake, and this is also very nice. Like you can have it with the coffee, tea, and it's such a big cake, man. Like guys, it's just for $10, और आप लोगों का ये एक हफ्ता, 2 हफ्ते, एक हफ्ते में चल जाएगा. Like फिर उसके बाद हम दूसरे केक्स पर आए, लाइक दीज केक्स वर सो टैम्पटिंग, सीरियसली बिलीव मी, और ये बहुत अच्छे यमी केक थे. सो गाइस, ये जो केक थे ये सेलिब्रेशंस के केक थे, एंड इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी सेलिब्रेशन, यू डोंट हैव एनी बर्थडेज और एनी थिंग लाइक दैट, यू कैन स्टिल बाय those cakes, and those were really yummy, like really yummy, seriously, like cheesecake, chocolate cake, or tiramisu cakes, or har tarah ke cakes. We were in so much rush, so I couldn't give you a better tour, but I promise you guys I will give you a better tour next time of the Costco, because बहुत rush थी सैटरडे को. और ये था बनाना ब्रेड केक. ये भी इट्स ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई वेरी फेवरेट केक्स, बनाना ब्रेड केक. इट्स वेरी नाइस टू हैव इट विद वन स्लाइस, वन स्लाइस ऑफ केक, वन स्लाइस, you can have it with the coffee. And these were the donuts. And yeah, this is the cake with my friend. She got it for herself. ये है New York style crumble cake, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is New York style crumble cake, and I wanted to buy two, but guys, I'm like, I will buy it next time. So yeah, guys, then हम मशीनों के सेक्शन में भी एंटर हुए, और मशीन्स का भी काफ़ी रश थी आयल में. देन हम गुज़रते हुए हमने थोड़ी सी जैकेट्स भी देखी, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी और बहुत ही चीप और बहुत ही इकनॉमिकल अच्छी थी. Then guys, I wanted to buy something from the Marshalls, because Marshalls was just next to the Costco. फिर हम Costco से निकले, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी लाइन थी, जो हमने लेना था वो ले लिया हमने. Then I entered into the Marshalls, this shop. Oh my god, you have no idea. जो क्रिसमस की जो चीज़ें थी, and they were so nice, so beautiful, so cute, and I wanted to buy every single thing, seriously. And I love the decorations. I really love the decorations. जो Christmas की decorations होती हैं, it really cheers up the mood and everything. And I love it, seriously. जिस तरीके से लोग celebrate करते हैं. And I was checking myself in the mirror. I was like having a good time. And फिर मैंने वापस से कंटिन्यू किया. मैंने कहा चलो बहुत सेल्फीज हो गई हैं, चलो वापस से अब कंटिन्यू करो, टूर दिखाओ तो सही ना, लाइक व्यूअर्स को, कि क्या है मार्शल्स में. गाइस, मैं सही तरह सॉरी मैं टूर नहीं दे सकी, बिकॉज दैट वाज वीकेंड एंड इट वाज टू मच क्राउडेड एवरीवेयर. Like there were so many people, I was like feeling so shy to even like record anything, but I promise you I will give you a better tour of everything. Then मैंने अपना मेकअप पाउच लिया, क्योंकि I just wanted to buy a makeup pouch from it. और yeah, Marshalls was full of this Christmas stuff, seriously. After whatever I got it, guys, you can see the line. It took me like 30 minutes to reach the checkout counter. Can you imagine? Anyways, I just got myself whatever I wanted, and I went to the Walmart, because Walmart was also next to the Marshalls. I got like 2-3 things from it, and I just rushed back to the hotel. I was so super tired. I was so sleepy, you have no idea. Then it was the next morning, and I got myself this waffle and a scrambled egg, and I was just enjoying my breakfast. And yeah, I was just enjoying myself with this breakfast, and it was super early morning, and I was like, I slept well at night. And this is me in the transport going to the airport. Yes guys, this is me super tired after the flight. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. Hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.